Who gave you the order?
I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP.
Ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga. Oh, PCTC, did you or did you not give the order to General Barbel?
No.
No. So, General Barbel, are you lying?
So I'm not lying, but I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter. This
Ay,
operation.
nandito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina, sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, mag-executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo?
That's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing because this is what we were expecting, ma'am. We didn't want to be bullied.
We are not bullying you, sir. Ha? We want the truth.
Secretary Remulla, I recall that General Torre, nagbigay siya ng interview na sinabi niya, bigyan lang ako ng eroplano. Ako nang bahala dyan.
Arrest him and bring him to the Hague. Yun lang. Simple as arrest him and bring him to the Hague. Sagot ko lang, sir, bigyan mo ko aeroplano. O di ayos.
So Secretary Remulla, nagpa-interview na si General Torre. We're not bullying him. He voluntarily gave this interview. Sinabi niya na siya talaga. Paano ba yun? Sino nag-utos sa kanya?
I gave them the advice. That,
So kayo
number
ang
one,
nagutos?
serve the warrant of arrest. And number two, surrender him to the Hague. That's what the law provides.
So, sir, you're the one giving the orders.
Well, in some ways, because I gave them the legal basis for all the actions that happened.
So, you're the one giving the orders.
If I have to be the one, then if I am the one
No.
that is referred to, I will admit it.